If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Slice 2026, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully reversed. Step 1. Open the Slice app. Launch the Slice app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transactions. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Go to the Transactions section of the app. This is where you can view all your recent transfers and their statuses. Step 3. Locate the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Srock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Tap on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with options related to that specific transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the Cancel Transfer option and select it. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the cancellation process. By following these steps, you can easily cancel a pending transfer on Slice 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.